welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a vision board. And a lot of people ask me how I mapped out my goals for 2017 and made them happen. If not better than I actually expected, which is pretty crazy. It's like you have a dream, make the dream happen. It's like I'm gonna teach you in this tutorial, we're gonna make a board and you're gonna make your vision and what you want to happen manifest. So your goals are way different than your vision. So you have goals, right? And a goal is the overall objective. So it's very vague. That's like the big picture. But your vision is how you obtain your goals. Does that make sense? So I'm gonna tell you guys how you can do that. And in 2017, I was so scared coming into this year. Like, I'll post a picture on New Year's from last year here. And it's so funny because I posted the picture and I was like, God bless me on this journey. And little did I know that I would be on a whole journey this entire year, finding myself and finding my business and style base and just building my brand to the next level. And I'm so thankful for what it's turning into. So I think for 2017, I didn't even have a website. I wanted to photo shoot. I wanted to just like brand myself. So I made thestylebase.com, and you can visit that. That has everything on there, from all the looks that I've worn, photo shoots that I've done, just like pieces that I put together, different looks, hairstyles, clothing, looks that I've done. I started my YouTube back in August of 2016. So 17? Yeah, August 2016. So it's been a little over a year now, and I'm excited because the videos are starting to pick up a little more and you guys are vibing with me, and that's really dope. So, and I wanted to uplift and empower other people and other women and show that you can be what you want to be. So that's definitely something I'm getting into. And I'm actually having my first like guest speaking appearance here in Chicago, January 27th, 2018 for the new year. So if you're in Chicago, you should definitely attend. It's going to be awesome. We're going to make vision boards. So hopefully this vision board helps you guys out. I hope you like, rate, and subscribe and keep vibing with me. And yeah, thanks for watching.
Told me not to mess with these boys. I'll get my broken. They're playing with me like a toy. They on about this. They don't care about you. If you wanna dance with the devil, then you better dance good. Then you better dance good. Then you better dance good.
I'd say maybe halfway done with my vision board. So the camera cut off. I am just placing things as I see necessary on my board, and I'll explain a lot of everything once I go finish. But
ways, boy. I'll get my broken. They're playing me like a toy. They on about this. They don't care about you. If you wanna dance with the devil, then you better dance good. Then you better dance good. Then you better dance good. Tell me what I was to you, no, no, no.
So I completed, let me get it closer. Okay, so I completed my vision board, and the whole thing is very vague. Like I kind of explained in the beginning. I just really focused on what is going to help me get to my goals rather than goals. Like when I say goals, like certain amounts and or deadlines or anything that would put stress on me for 2018. And I just have stickers on here to motivate me. So be so good, they can't ignore you. Time to shine. Just crosses because I'm pretty spiritual, my beliefs. So fashion. If you watched my About Me Q&A type thing, I have a business style based. So I want to focus on brand ambassador, going to New York Fashion Week, motivational speaker, personal shopper, brand deals, travel blogger, sponsorships, being a go-getter, dream big. So I want to be a style star on the rise this year. So also I want to be the best version of myself, and I love this. You can use little cards. You don't have to just use magazines or stickers or cutouts, but this is a card, and I put a really cute photo of myself in here. I got this printed out at Walgreens. It was like $2. And I just put little words that describe me. And it says, hello, gorgeous. So when I'm ever feeling down this year, I can open this up and I'll just remember that I am ambitious, I am a leader, I'm kind, cultured, motivational, spiritual, impactful, otherworldly, humorous, I'm fun, attractive, intelligent, beautiful. So that's definitely to just keep my spirits up and uplift and empower. So I want to represent and uplift and empower other people and inspire. So I want to remember that life is good and to be thankful and grow my personal relationship with God and Christ, and just really keep my faith this year and follow in faith, because I've gotten very far by doing that. Lastly, I want to explore and adventure. I want to leave the United States this year. I want to learn and grow from experiences. And this is so cute. It says travel expands the mind and heart. And then this little passport sticker was like adorable. It's like a fake passport sticker. And it literally opens up and you can like fake flip through it. And these are like 3D stickers. It says places to go, people to see. Ambition is not a dirty word. Just things that will really enjoy the journey. I know it's so hard to enjoy the journey sometimes. I did go-getter right here. It's so hard to enjoy the journey. because the journey is a hard one, but I'm super excited for 2018 and I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, rate, and subscribe. Bye.